Hello my dear friends and my students. Today we explain the most important topics from the chapter Haloalkane and Haloarenes for your NEET examination, JEE examination as well as for your board examinations. Okay. See here first of all some important name reactions. So some important name reactions like Wards reaction, Ward-Fittig reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction, Hunsaker reaction, Sandmeyer reactions, Gattermann reactions, Dawes process for the preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Okay, so these name reactions are important from the chapter Haloalkane and Haloarenes. Not only for your board examination, these are important for your NEET JEE examination also. Okay, after that some important topics from this chapter. Okay, which topic you have to follow first rather than other topics. Okay, first of all, that is the IUPAC nomenclature. So IUPAC nomenclature is the most important topic, and from this topic you may have one question in your board examination as well as for your NEET and JEE examination also. So after that, the nucleophilic substitution reaction, very important. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, and in the case of nucleophilic substitution reaction, there are two types of nucleophilic substitution reaction you have to follow. That is the SN1 and SN2. And you remember here the stability of the carbocation in this part, the stability of the carbocation, and there is 1,2 methyl shift, 1,2 hydrate shift. This part is important. Okay, and after that the beta elimination reaction. So this beta elimination reaction which follow the Sadjev rule, this one is also important. Okay, very important. And after that the SN1 and SN2 reaction. Okay, in every year in your board examination, generally one question may come from SN1 and SN2. Okay, in the examination, the examiner may ask you that among these two compounds, which one actually show faster SN1 or which one will show the faster SN2. Okay, and the question may be like that. And we know that in the case of SN1 mechanism, SN1 reaction, that is follow the retention of configuration, and SN2 follow the inversion of configuration. Okay, so the question may be like that: among these two compounds, which one show inversion of configuration, which one show retention of configuration? Okay, now after that the Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. These two rules is also important. Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. These are not only important for your board examination. These topics, for important topics from this chapter, these are important for your NEET and JEE examination also. Okay, now after that, so important mechanism for your board examination, that is the SN1 and SN2 mechanism. These two mechanism is most important for your board examination. And after that, for the conversion, okay, so one or two question may come in your board examination for the from conversion part. Okay, from this chapter. And for conversion, you follow NCERT questions, and NCERT questions are most important. Okay. Now, after the physical properties of haloalkane and haloarenes. In the physical properties part, you just follow the boiling point part. Okay, boiling point part is most important. Okay, from the physical properties of haloalkane and haloarenes. Okay, after that, NCERT questions. Which NCERT questions you study well rather than the other questions? See, in the part of in-text part of your NCERT questions. Okay. Question number 2, 5, 6, 7 and 9. These questions are the most important. These questions are most important. And from exercise part, question number 2, 3, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20 and 22. These are most important questions. Okay. And now you have to remember that in this question number 19 is nothing but your conversions. Okay. Question number 19 is the conversions. So there are other conversions in the question, but in the question number 19, these are most important rather than others. Okay, so you have to follow this question number 19, and these are other questions are also important for your board examinations. So if you follow these important topics and these important name reactions, I guarantee you that you will answer all the questions which whatever actually asked by the examiner in your examination for your board examination from this means from this chapter Haloalkane and Haloarenes. Okay, so note down these things, these important topics, these important name reactions, and these NCERT questions in text as well as for exercise. Okay, these are most important. Okay, so now after that we study that means types of questions for your board examination. What type of questions actually asked in your board examination, that will be means discussed. So the important types of question for your board examination is 2021. So these type of questions may asked in your board examinations. So the type of questions, okay, not exactly these questions, the type of questions. The questions are maybe like that: complete the following reaction. Okay, complete the following reaction, and then they give you the question like that, this one and arrow this, or they can give you like that plus HI, okay, arrow this, then complete the reaction. Okay, so here you this is your Markovnikov rule, and you write the product. This is your CH3 and this is I. Okay, so this type of question, and this hydrogen is actually attached here in this carbon, so this is the reaction, and here also another reaction. See, so this is also the Markovnikov rule. Okay, this is question number 2, and question number 3 is the anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, question number 2 here, this is the product CH3 CH2 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 Br. Okay, CH3 CH2 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 Br. Sorry, this is the wrong one. CH3 CH2 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 Br. Okay, CH2 Br. Okay, so this is the answer for the case of peroxide. And if you have this question, okay, this question, and they give you the aqueous KOH, okay, they give you aqueous KOH. In that case, you have to follow the carbocation stability. Okay, carbocation stability. See, if you see the mechanism in the first step, this Br will remove, and in the carbon atom we have the positive charge. And after that, when this carbon getting the positive charge, means when this Br will remove and this carbon getting the positive charge, what the degree of this carbon? This carbon is actually 2 degree. Okay, and see its adjacent carbon. This carbon is 1 degree, and this carbon is 4 degree. Okay, and we know that the quaternary carbocation is more stable than that of tertiary, than that of secondary, than that of primary. So here among these 3 carbon, see this carbon atom, this one and this carbon are the adjacent carbon of this carbon. So this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 4 degrees. So if we compare these two, this is 2 degree, means among this one is more stable. But if we compare with these two, then this one is actually 4 degree and this one is 2 degree. So this is more stable. And when carbocation see that its adjacent carbon having a more degree, immediately carbocation comes here. Okay, and among this group, means among this CH3, 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 among any one of these goes to, like this one goes to this carbon atom. Okay, and after that carbocation one comes here, and then OH minus attack here, and we get this product. Okay, so you have to remember that the carbocation stability, this is actually 1,2 methyl sheet. You have to remember this thing, this 1,2 methyl sheet, and if the question will be like 1,2 hydrate sheet is also there. So you have to remember this type of questions. Okay. Now after that, this is actually the beta elimination reaction. There are 2 different products. Double bond may come here and may come here. If double bond comes here, this is major product, and if double bond comes here, then this is minor product. So this is actually according to the Sergev rule. Okay, this is according to Sergev rule. We know that in the Sergev rule, pore become poorer, means the hydrogen will be removed from that particular carbon atom of the beta carbon. See, actually bromine is attached with this carbon, so this is alpha, and this is beta carbon, and this is also beta carbon. So among these 2 beta carbon, Okay, this carbon is more alkylated, this is less alkylated. More alkylated means this carbon attached with more carbon atom, but this carbon attached with only one carbon atom. So this is more alkylated, so hydrogen will remove from that particular carbon atom which is more alkylated. Okay, so this carbon is more alkylated, so from this carbon hydrogen will be removed. This is our Self rule. Okay, so you can say that the hydrogen will remove from that particular carbon atom, from that particular beta carbon atom which has a less number of hydrogen atom. Okay, this is our Self rule. After that, question may be like that: write chemical test to distinguish between the pairs. Okay, like a chlorobenzene and benzyl chloride, chloroform and carbon tetrachloride. These type of questions may asked in your examination, board examination. Okay, now after that, which among the following undergoes faster SN1 or SN2? They asked to SN1 or SN2, or they may ask that which among the following show the faster retention of configuration or inversion of configuration. This type of question may asked. Okay, so these are the questions. This is the questions. And after that, one question will be like that from the physical property, that the para isomer of dichlorobenzene has higher boiling point than ortho and meta isomer. Why? Okay, so question is the question: the para isomer of dichlorobenzene has higher boiling point than ortho and meta isomer. Why? This type of question may asked. And the question will be like that: an optically active compound having molecular formula C7H15Br when react with aqueous KOH give racemic mixture products. So and show the mechanism of this reaction. Okay. After that, the question will be like that: convert the following. Convert the following: ethanol to but1-ine, propene to propine, toluene to benzyl alcohol, like that. These type of questions. Okay, these are the some conversion actually given here. Not exactly this conversion actually coming in your examination. Maybe this type of questions actually coming in your board examinations. Okay, and after that, the question will be like write IUPAC name of this. So they give you some structure and the formulas, and from that you just find the IUPAC name of the compound, and they may also ask you that they give you some name of the compound, and from that name you have to find the you have to just write the structure of that particular compound. Okay, so these type of questions may asked in your board examination. Okay, so you just follow and what actually we given, that the name, important name reactions, important topics, and important conversions. Some important conversion also given here. How can you distinguish the following pairs? And some question from your physical physical property, like the boiling point part also. So these type of questions are very important for your board examinations. So just follow this, and I guarantee you that you will get if you answer all the questions whatever they asked in this chapter, Haloalkane and Haloarenes. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you very much.